3 after a 15-point march for the Philippines in the first 10 minutes.
Sotto gets blocked, recovers and slams it home. We will all still be screaming and cheering and shouting in front of our take that ball away, despite Deguara having the front position. Montana. Oh, gets blocked, but
He's in Group A in the OQT and Latvia.
Ramos hitting a three. Brownlee. Justin shies away from the three. Brownlee was able to fish for the foul. Montana, he loves that spot. Gets the bounce on the three. Cabagnot. Alex Cabagnot able to put it.
Carla Bajano, and even before that time, we knew that he was going to be very good. But he became
Cabagnot, his signature three. And Alex Cabagnot.
high for Cabagnot.
Single possession game, 1.5 seconds left. Tamayo from out. Knocks it down!
Prior to playing in Latvia on July 3.
Bilis missing. Sotto towering over everyone.
Behemoth sa Deguara.
Shot by Tamayo over the giant of Taiwan. Perez, good deflection. The long pass. Sotto finds a way to get it in. Not here anymore in the Philippines.
In Europe.
Yeah, in Europe.
Two more scrimmages. That is what I have read in terms of the timeline.
Lopez.
3 after a 15-point march for the Philippines in the first 10 minutes.
Sotto gets blocked, recovers and slams it home. 5 minutes remaining in the first half.
Nice.
Oh, Aguilar evading the Gilas. Has a much better percentage than Taiwan, but in terms of rebounding, that's where nowhere to go. Only 3 seconds on the shot clock. Had to take the jumper. Does not get through. Obviously, Justin Brownlee, everyone was celebrating the strong play of Brownlee, but the defense.
Getting inside, also isolating Brownlee at the right elbow earlier.
That was Kai Sotto. One had 7'6" Sam Deguara because Deguara had 8 rebounds, but Ray Miller and Oscar Lopez Jr. had lead. Deguara underneath. Finds a way to put it in.
Did not look pretty, but still.
Nunu, kick out. Dwight for 3. Yes! The Taiwan Mustangs. Brownlee taking a 3, hitting it. The first 3-pointer for Brownlee will take it again. Back to for Justin. Hardo, another steal for Jumar. Here's Ramos evading Deguara. Aguilar trying to drop that off to Tamayo. Brownlee again. Downtown maneuvers already for the Mustangs.
Most of them in the third, as Robinson.
That was a tough one.
Scoring for the Mustangs against Gilas Pilipinas.
Good pass by Perez to Aguilar. Dating well for Taiwan. They flow much better when he's there, and that play is a perfect example.